For this cake, we're doing a chocolate drip cake. You can do just with white and chocolate drips, but for today, we're going to do chocolate drip. And I have already frosted my cake in chocolate buttercream. And the way I make my chocolate buttercream is with buttercream and just store-bought chocolate frosting, and just do it to taste. You can get the dark chocolate or milk chocolate, whatever kind you like. It's totally up to you. And inside here it can be chocolate buttercream, raspberries, or whatever you like, doesn't matter. I have chocolate cake. And I'm going to show you how to melt the chocolate. So what I have here, I just have regular chocolate, melting chocolate, and I'm going to put it in the microwave for 10 to 15 seconds at a time, mixing in between. Just make sure in between that you're mixed up a little bit. Alright, we have our chocolate melted here. I'm going to do a disposable bag. If you have a lot of cakes to do with the chocolate drip, you can use one of these bottles like this here, and put it in a warm water bath, and it will keep melted for a while. But we only have this one cake, so I'm going to just do this. You want to make sure that there aren't any chunks in there. If there are, I will plug this up and it won't work. Cut the tip, and I'm just going to go along the edges first. Kind of go a back and forth motion. Feel free to go back over what you did if it doesn't come out quite right. Just let it fall naturally. Like this here, I didn't have enough, so just let it add more where you need it. Sometimes if you knock this a little bit, it encourages them to fall a little bit more. Then after I do that, I'm going to go and clean up my edges here. Now this is one of my the few tortes that I actually make that I have a bottom border and no top border. I just leave the top as it is, and I'm going to use chocolate. You can use, if you wanted, you could put crumbs if you wanted, cookie crumbs or nuts or almonds or whatever you want. I'm going to use chocolate buttercream. One thing that you'll notice in bakeries and in specialty stores that sell tortes, that they're expensive to buy. They probably cost like 3 times as much as, say, a birthday cake, and you'll see after looking at these videos that they're really easy to make. Now, granted, there are a few things that are a little more expensive to make. You have to buy almonds and all the little things that could cost a little bit more, but all in all, with your time involved and whatnot, they're super easy to make, and it really is worth doing yourself and not having to buy. So anyway, this is my chocolate drip cake. Again, you can do this in white buttercream or whipped cream, and this is great for any grandpa or dad or any male birthday or occasion, and it looks very elegant and very chocolatey.